Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload an Excel file to DeepSeek Chat. You don't want to miss it. All right, let's get started. First things first, head over to chat.deepseek.com and log into your account. It's pretty straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you're in. Once you're in the chat, look for the paperclip icon. That's actually the upload button here on DeepSeek Chat. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see an option to select files. Choose the Excel file you want to upload and click open. Just keep in mind that DeepSeek can only read text from files, so no images or charts, unfortunately. After uploading, type in your request in the chat. For example, you could say, "Can you give me an overview of the contents of this Excel file?" Then click send and wait for the response. Easy enough, right? Keep in mind, there's a limit to how much DeepSeek can read from a file. If your file is too large, it'll tell you the percentage it can actually process. Once that's done, you'll get your overview or analysis right in the chat. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an Excel file to DeepSeek Chat and gotten your insights. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more tips.